Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Card Chronicles. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create an account or register for Bank of America's customized cash reward credit card account. For that case, you have to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in www.bankofamerica.creditcard/product/travel reward credit card. That is going to take you to the official page, and while you're on this page, you just go ahead and press on login from the top right hand side corner. As you click the login button, it's going to take you to the field where you have to go ahead and press on enroll now, located right on top. So if you already have an account, go ahead and enter in your information as well. And here it's going to take you to this field where you have to start by entering your card account number and then the social security number. If you're done with this procedure, tap the continue button, then move on to the next procedure. Just go ahead and follow the prompt, and you'll have to go ahead and review all of the information, such as verify your identity as well. When you're done verifying it, you just have to go ahead and submit the information or review the terms and conditions. You'll have successfully applied for the Bank of America's customized cash reward credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.